Okay, welcome back. It is day 192 of coding every day. So today, um, back in the lab Monday morning, um, went into lab a little past 9, left a little before 3. Um, Worked on mostly just literature review. Looked over a couple smart home like system papers, not related to ASD because there's nothing really on that. That's why I'm doing the research. And Looked at some like Unreal and Unity based papers. They don't really help that much, to be honest. Um, and then looked at some more like IoT papers. Not a very good day of literature review. The only paper that was really nice was like this digital twin, which I actually already knew that concept from actually a company I applied to and interviewed with, not this year, but the year before, who used like digital twin software for like mapping infrastructure in like a city to like a digital thing. And so the idea was mapping a real environment, like home, into digital, and then doing all of your processing on that digital mapping, and then like using that to change the stuff in the home instead of doing it based off of what it's getting directly from the home. It's a cool concept, but I don't know how efficient that'd be, how real time that could be. I don't know. Something I have to look into. If for some reason just using the simulation itself doesn't work, I guess that would be more for people when we actually start. Not me, but when they, as this project goes on past the summer, when they have to go to, a real room and apply kind of what we proposed this summer. Um, as for coding, the delete code today, um, the first solution was just not the solution at all. I was assuming it was just a given a matrix of ascending values, return the kth smallest value. I assumed that each row was going to be ascending from the like previous one, and that was not the case. It was just every row was ascending. I'm pretty sure, individually. So yeah, my approach of going by my first approach was like given the length of one, like I can just skip all the rows and don't have to go through them, um, unless we go over what the value of k would be, and then that's the only one I go through. Um, and so my solution actually isn't what they wanted because they wanted something better than O of n squared, and I did worse than that, because I literally just flattened out the matrix basically, just got every single row and made it into one list, and then return k minus one. So hey, it worked, but yeah, it was definitely a binary search that they wanted there. So maybe I'll work on a binary search this week or something because it has been a while since I've done some of those questions. But yeah, that's about it. I'm playing around with Unreal Engine right now. I'll let you know how that goes tomorrow. But yeah, so I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.